Can you write in the chat box? Left brain and right brain. What is the role of the left brain and what is the role of the right brain? Do you have idea? If yes, please mention in the chat box. If no, say no. It is absolutely fine.
No.
Okay, right. So I'm giving you a very clear cut, very easy way to remember this. Left L is logical part. Left L is logic. Right is emotions. So left brain works on logical parts and right brain works on the emotional part. Whenever we talk about the logical things, we talk about the words, numbers, line, specific things, list, logics, analysis, right? But whenever we are talking about the right brain, it is the rhythm, it is the color, shapes, maps, imagination, daydreaming. So the whole brain learning is this: when you use your both the brains, left brain and the right brain. Right now, how to use both the brains? There are few very simple techniques. For example, the moment you get up early in the morning and you go to your washroom and you start doing your brushing, teeth brush, right? If you are a right-handed person, try to use your left hand there. No worries. No worries. So very simple thing. If you are a right-hander person, please try to use your left hand for to brush your teeth. And if you are lefty, try to use your right hand for your brushing your teeth. The moment you will start doing this, for example, you are a right-handy, try to write from the left hand. And if you are left-handed, try to write from the right hand. If you are right-handed, if you play badminton from right hand, try to play from the left hand. The moment you will start using your different side, your brain will start working. And you will learn how to coordinate both the brains, left brain and the right brain. And when we teach someone, at that time, both the brains start working, left brain and the right brain. It keeps on asking the questions. Okay, what if that person is asking that? At the same time, some emotions are also coming. If I'm not able to give the answer, what will happen? So in that scenario, you are learning, you are using both the parts, left brain and the right brain. So friends, start using these few tips, very practical tips. Early in the morning, go to your washroom, start using your non-power hand for your brushing the teeth, right? To comb your hair if you want, right? If you eat from the right hand, try to eat from the left hand. It will help you out. So far, so good.